So here we are in Ortisei. It was a 2-hour harrowing car trip around hairpin bends that you need to be in first gear to get around. But we got here. So it's a charming little town nestled between the hills of the Dolomites. We set off early from Cortina to Ortisei. The trip was about 64 kilometres and it was slated to take an hour and a half, but it actually took us 2 hours. Driving through some spectacular countryside, but quite scary in part roads, mainly due to the steepness of them and the drop. The whole journey from Cortina to Ortisei and the way back to Cortina was a very big circle, as you'll see on the map now. We decided not to go back the way we came because the roads were just a bit too scary, and my partner Joe has a bit of an issue with heights, and certainly some of the sheer drops on the roads were quite terrifying for her. I'll provide the road names on the description that appears on the screen.
In 400 metres, turn right onto Strada Provincial 24 Del Paso Valparola.
I took a lot of footage of the roads, and what I'll do is I'll produce a separate video of that round trip, which will be quite long, but I think there's some people out there that really enjoy watching driving through spectacular scenery, and especially the Dolomites.
Where did that come from?
What?
That's a rock. That's the roads.
Look at that house just perched there.
Crazy. Go through as well. More of these.
Precarious and steep roads with huge drops soon gave way to rolling hills and a nice gentle slope down into the valley floor as we made our way into Ortisei. Arrived in Ortisei and roamed the very charming streets and stopped for a coffee and a bite to eat. after that harrowing drive. So we are walking to the chairlift that takes us up to Seceda. It's probably a 5-minute walk from the car park. The car park was sort of over in that direction somewhere, called Central Car Park or Centrale Car Park. And it's a fairly short walk through a little town, and we're heading towards the chairlift. So I'm looking forward to it. It should be good. Lots of escalators in this place. This is the chairlift to Seceda. Looks quite impressive, doesn't it? Let's get some tickets.
I don't want to go around again. Nee, een beetje in het weer en proef ik aan het kijken. Oei. Ja. Nog even.
So here we are at the top of Seceda, and what fantastic views. It's really spectacular. So this is the path up to the lookout. It's quite steep. Thank goodness it's quite cool. We're around about 2,500 meters above sea level. Truly spectacular. We stopped at the Refugio for some traditional Triolian or Austrian strudel, as well as potato, bacon and eggs, and were suitably refreshed. We spent about 2.5 hours up at Seceda, including lunch, and then took the cable car all the way down again. Truly spectacular sights and scenery, something that'll live with me, I think, for the rest of my life. We'd had enough thrills and spills with a short trek from Cortina to Ortisei, so we decided to take the Ortisei and SS49 and SS51 back to Cortina. At least we knew the roads were a decent standard, and my partner did thank me for the comparative lack of hairpin bends and steep drop-offs. I do hope you've liked this video. As I said, I'll edit and post a video of the driving in this area as a separate video, and there's a couple of more videos of the Dolomites to come. I do really hope you've liked this. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you have, and until the next time, take care and bye.